Good morning, guys! Ang cute ng hair ko. Finally, nakabisit na ako. And na-trim na ang dead ends ko kasi, guys, feel ko hair loss na naman ako kasi nagsistart na kasi ako mag-diet konti. And then, yun. Feel ko under nutrition na ako, guys. So, we just finished pumping using the Mom Cozy V2 Pro. And let's see how much we got. Guys, 1 meal a day lang ako kahapon. So, don't be like me. Kasi, ang konti talaga ng milk mo pag nag-skip ka ng meals. And, hindi ka nag-drink ng water because you cannot pour from an empty cup. So, this is from our left side. O, diba? Super konti lang talaga, guys. And, na-feel ko talaga na wala masyadong laman ang aking body. Oh, this is our morning pump. Okay lang.
Thank you.
Ah! Konti na nga lang, natapon pa. I'm thinking, guys, when should I stop pumping? Dami nag-question sa inyo last time na nag-video ako when ako mag-pump.
Come here.
I don't know.
Come here.
Tingnan lang natin, guys. So, this is our pump. We got 6 ounces. So, today, kakain na ako ng mas madami than yesterday. Let's see if may difference ba sa milk ko later.